So we've just done the Atlas adjustment, a light touch meningeal adjustment, very, very low force. It's great to do on children, adults, all ages, elderly, even the very, very ill. I've done that adjustment in hospital beds and seen amazing changes with people. So if you would like to contact me, you can call me. 772-713-1487 is my cell phone if you have questions. You can email me, hagejohndc@gmail.com. I love having questions. If you want to set up a workshop, please contact me in either one of those ways, all right? Have a wonderful afternoon and keep adjusting subluxations.